Now I'm going to tell you how far law enforcement that you've gone. I want you to listen very carefully. You have violated me in my home twice without a warrant, without an active warrant. Over in Vancouver, Trish had already been into my home. There was a boot mark on my bedroom door, kicked my room door open when I saw the lights parked up the street. I fixed my door, went out the window, and called my friend whose brother's a cop. He came back with me. I went back through the back window, and he came to the front door. So that way, if anything was going to happen, it was going to happen soon, and he'd be there. Had me back out of my home without presenting a warrant. You act like I've been through shit like that before? No, I have not. Never, ever have I had police in my home. Ever. So what the fuck you doing? Yeah, stupid Caucasians calling, oh, the baby's home alone. She's 3 months old. Police come to the door. My dad, my stepmom's was there. I'm golfing with my friends. They told me to go out, get out. I'm going to explain something to you. When you came over on 22nd and Prescott, that's when it was quashed. I was told it was quashed. At that time, I didn't know what quashed meant. You broke the window to my door, came in and threatened to find us with dogs. I get over across the bridge, and he said, there's a note here. Someone came to pay something for you, and we told him that it was dismissed. That's what quashed meant. I made a mistake. I'm taking it back. So all these years, Multnomah County has been fucking with my freedom openly, obviously, and defaming me in public. So you broke my window. When I get in the car, I tell the cop, if anything, it's a $25 payment missing. He checked and he said, I am so sorry, ma'am. Then you did it again. Over on Kirby, over in North Portland. It was a fourplex. You did it again. And the document read fugitive. But those documents disappeared out of my home. Because I trusted you all. But the slip and fall died instantly. But it kind of confused me that somebody was in there, but I was still numb from going through all of it. You came into my home without a warrant, without an active warrant, and I asked the judge over in Clark County, I said, why is it out of the system in the whole United States of America, but it's still in Oregon? He said, I don't know. But at that time, I thought he was quashed. I thought it was just, I had paid up. I was paid up. No. Treated me like a prisoner, like a felon, and to hold up to the documentation that the file that you patted me with. I'm going to sue you for violating me twice. Once coming across in a different jurisdiction, crossing the bridge, and then you put me on I can't believe you guys did this. On a medical hold against my will. That's why that stupid bitch sister's talking about, I'll put you in a straitjacket against your will. Someone has her convinced of that shit. You really fucked up bad, DOJ. Then you're going to have Attorney General, you're going to have DOJ call me? And he was in the office when all this was going on. All of you are underestimating the death of my child, and that's what's really pissing me off. It's pissing me off. And you act like 20 years is a long time? Have you fucking forgot? Murder cases never close. Have you? Have you fucking forgot? Murder cases never fucking close. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm done with my research, so now I'm going to sit and be abused again, more so. I'm not going to get incarcerated or be incarcerated for you. Ever fucking again. 20 years, 20-some years stretch. The first incident in the passenger seat of a car with somebody with a little bit on them. Second time, 20 years later, and you're still fucking with me. But then I got to thinking, why are you fucking with me? I never went before a judge for you in Multnomah County. I was never formally charged for any crime in any state or any county that it held up. And I've never been convicted of a Measure 11, harming anybody, or any of that shit you have on me. I did not get a driver while suspended or false information in 2010. I didn't get back to 2010. And I walked to all my programs. I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing. But each time I sit idle, I get to thinking how you personally, that's why you're watching, you personally allowed that episode over in Clark County. Somebody had to sign off on it. And if they didn't, you best find out who, because I'm coming. And nothing's going to stop me. And who gave the authorization to break the windows in my house and come in? Had us scared in the closet. I'm going to bring in the dogs. You bastards. You didn't have no right in my home. There was no warrant for Clark County. The thing was dismissed as quashed, so what was I making payments on? What did you hide underneath the crap over there? That's why when I got transferred over here, the probation officer, I was only on probation for 3 months. Because it was it was quashed. Some unreliable source violated for a UA with clean UAs. What the hell? I can't even blame that on my family. You authorized for them to come in. Somebody had to sign off on that shit. Somebody has to sign off on DOD being in my stuff. That weak-ass Matriciano can't. He's the Rain Man. My uncle can't. He's Rain Man number 2. I don't see anybody intelligent enough to do that shit, but it appears to me that you're all afraid of John R. Kroger. But John R. Kroger has my baby's case locked in Aspen Institute. You guys are wrong, and I'm coming for you first.